Reading one. You might think of coral reefs as just a colorful decoration that fills the oceana grounds. There are many types of coral reefs, from colorful ones to rock-looking ones. Even though they look like rocks, corals are actually tiny living animals working together. And these reefs are extremely important, not only for ocean life but also for people on land. Coral reefs help people in many ways. They provide food because many fish that live near reefs are caught and eaten by humans. Reefs also protect coastlines from powerful waves during storms. This acts like a powerful shield and weakens the waves. If we did not protect coral reefs, many harmful things would happen. Thousands of ocean animals would lose their homes and might not survive. Some species could become extinct because of lack of food. Coastal areas could face greater peril from storms and flooding without reefs to weaken the waves. There are many things we can do to protect coral reefs. We can reduce pollution by throwing trash away properly and using less plastic so harmful waste does not end up in the ocean. Saving energy can also help because warmer water damages coral. People can learn more about reefs and cooperate with conservation efforts to keep them safe. All in all, coral reefs are extremely important to both people and the ocean. They help us by providing food and protecting our shores. Without coral reefs, many sea animals would lose their homes. Storms could cause more damage. The good news is that we can help by reducing pollution, saving energy, and making wise choices every day. Reading 2. You might hate bee stings, but did you know that bees are very important to our survival? When you see a buzzing bee in the garden, it might seem like it is just looking for nectar, but that small insect is doing one of the most important jobs in nature. In this essay, we will talk about how bees help, what would happen if we didn't protect them, and how we could protect them. Bees help us every day by pollinating plants. When they fly from flower to flower, pollen sticks to them and gets carried to other plants, which helps fruits and vegetables grow. Many foods we like, such as apples, berries, and cucumbers, need bees to grow. Farmers depend on bees for healthy crops and good harvests. Bees also make honey, which people eat and sometimes use as medicine. If we do not protect bees, there could be serious problems. Many plants would stop growing, and some might even disappear. Animals that eat these plants would also be affected. People could have less food to eat, and prices might go up because food would be harder to find. Scientists say bees are already in danger because of pollution, pesticides, and habitat loss. Fortunately, there are many ways people can help bees survive. Planting flowers that produce nectar gives bees a reliable food source. Avoiding harmful chemicals in gardens and farms protects them from poisoning. Creating small natural spaces where wildflowers grow provides safe habitats. But most importantly, people need to understand its importance and work together to save them. To wrap things up, bees play a crucial role in our survival. It pollinates plants and helps them grow well. Because we could face serious consequences, such as food shortages, we should take action now to protect them, including planting more flowers and plants and avoiding harmful chemicals. By working together to protect bees today, we can ensure these tiny yet powerful helpers continue to keep our world healthy, colorful, and full of food for many years to come. Rainforests are among the most amazing places on Earth with life and natural beauty. They may seem far away, but they are very important to our survival. In this essay, I will explain how rainforests help us, what would happen if we did not protect them, and how we can protect them. Rainforests help people in many important ways, but most importantly, they produce a large amount of the oxygen we breathe, which keeps us alive every day. Many plants in the rainforest are also used to make medicines that treat diseases. In addition, rainforests help regulate Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are also home to millions of animals, insects, and plants, many of which cannot live anywhere else. If rainforests were not protected, the consequences would be serious. Many animals would lose their homes and could become extinct. Cutting down trees also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and extreme weather. Plants that might have been used to discover new medicines would disappear forever. The destruction of rainforests would disturb the balance of nature in a disastrous way. Fortunately, there are many ways people can help protect rainforests. Using less paper and recycling helps reduce the need to cut down trees. Supporting sustainably produced products encourages companies to protect forests rather than destroy them. When people cooperate and make wise choices, rainforests are more likely to survive. To wrap things up, rainforests are crucial for human survival, as they produce a large share of the oxygen we breathe, are home to plants that produce medicines, and help regulate Earth's climate. We would face disastrous consequences if we didn't protect it, as we wouldn't have enough oxygen to sustain life and would face worse climate change and extreme weather. However, it's never too late to take action. Let's use less paper and recycle to reduce tree cutting and support sustainably made products. With everyone's small contribution, we can preserve the rainforests and make the Earth a healthier place to live.